science of water is moving so fast. We used to think that water is very precious and it only exists in certain circumstances. Now, astronomers and astrophysicists are finding water everywhere in the universe.
This process of science of water is heading, I think, in a very fundamental direction.
Taking 2 wine glasses filled to the brim with chemically pure water, I connected the 2 glasses by a cotton thread coiled up in one glass and having its shorter end dipped into the other glass. Turning on the current, the coiled thread was rapidly drawn out of the glass containing it, and the whole thread deposited into the other, leaving for a few seconds a rope of water suspended between the lips of the 2 glasses.
We think the reason that you can float heavy items is because you have many structured layers. We're talking a half a millimeter or millimeter, not one molecular layer. That may also explain this creature that some of you may know about and what it does for a living. It scampers and then walks on water.
Water forms hydrogen bonds. There's a connection between the oxygen and the hydrogen. This hydrogen bond, despite what you learn at school and university, this hydrogen bond is strong, so it shouldn't break. In fact, it's very difficult to get hydrogen bonds to break. Hydrogen bonds don't break. They swap from one hydrogen bond to another hydrogen bond, which involves very little energy, but they very rarely break because it takes too much energy to break them.
Science is really connected to the human experience. We started to talk about, some things that I've been seeing in business and in the business world, some new models that are emerging, new practices. So we thought, oh, that's interesting, and maybe we should sort of ask ourselves, is business becoming more like water, and is it in fact learning how to flow?
Water has a memory. Water somehow retains information about substances with which it has previously been in contact and can then pass it on to sensitive biosystems.
I think we are moving into an era where the contest over resources will be issues that need a lot of debate. And I think it is very important for all of us to go to the areas at the local level, at the national level, at the international level, and begin to demand that those real rights be brought back to nature and to its people, and that we have to really prevent the last, most precious part of nature that is so important, air, water, land, from becoming just another asset for capital trading. Thank you very much.